Hey guys!
Welcome back to Tech Hacks. I'm Lekha.
And I'm Trisha, and today we are going to learn about integrated circuits. Hold on, let us just share the screen.
Yes. Integrated circuits. So what is IC? The abbreviation of IC stands for integrated circuit and in practice denotes any semiconductor based chip comprising an integrated set of digital circuitry. So a standard logic IC is a single small integrated package carrying basic components and common functionalities for a logic circuit.
An integrated circuit or IC is a small chip that can function as an amplifier, oscillator, timer, microprocessor, or even a computer memory. An IC is a small wafer usually made of silicon that can hold anywhere from hundreds to millions of transistors, resistors, and capacitors.
So these extremely small electronics can perform calculations and store data using either digital or analog technology. Integrated circuits are a keystone of modern electronics. They are the heart and brain of most circuits.
They come in all sorts of flavors: single circuit logic gates, op amps, 555 timers, voltage regulators, motor controllers, microcontrollers, microprocessors, and the list just goes on and on.
So how does an IC look like? These are the various types of ICs. They differ depending on the size and number of pins and their usage.
So, what is a symbol in a circuit of an IC? You always need to draw a circuit diagram before building it, right? So, you can either use a triangle or a rectangle depending on the number of pins and the kind of IC you're using.
So the types of IC. Thin and thick ICs. In thin or thick film ICs, passive components such as resistors, capacitors are integrated, but the diodes and transistors are connected as separate components to form a single and complete circuit. Thin and thick ICs are produced commercially or merely the combination of integrated and discrete components. Thick and thin ICs have similar characteristics, similar appearance, except the method of film deposition. Method of deposition of film distinguished thin ICs from thick ICs.
Monolithic ICs. In monolithic ICs, the discrete components, the active and the passive, and also the interconnections between them are formed in a silicon chip. The word monolithic is actually derived from two Greek words, mono meaning one and or single, and lithos meaning stone. Thus, monolithic circuit is a circuit that is built into a single crystal.
Hybrid or multi-chip IC. As the name implies, more than one individual chip are interconnected. So the active components that are contained in this kind of ICs are diffuse transistors or diodes. The passive components are the diffuse resistors or capacitors on a single chip.
Digital integrated circuits. These type of ICs work on basic digital system, that is two defined level, which is zeros and ones, and in other words low or high and on and off, etc. Microprocessor and microcontroller is the example of digital ICs which contain millions of flip-flops and logic gates.
Analog integrated circuits. Analog ICs work by processing continuous signals, that is analog signal. Operational amplifiers, any 555 timers, and sensors are the examples of analog ICs. These type of ICs are used for amplification, filtering, modulation, demodulation, etc.
Mixed signal ICs. Mixed signal integrated circuit is a kind of IC where both digital and analog ICs are combined on a single chip.
So thank you for watching.
And like,
share,
subscribe,
and hit the notification bell.
and don't forget to leave a comment.
Thank you.